What's up, YouTube? My name's Justin and I teach tips and tricks in the party rental industry. Today's video, I'm going to teach you a little bit about dunk tanks. I bought this one from Twister Display. As always, we'll get right into it. I got this dunk tank from Twister Display. I bought it, I think it was about $2,500 or about $2,750, and I got it for 0% down for a year financing. So that was pretty nice. Yeah, give you an angle from all sides so you can see like what it looks like once it's set up. And I'm going to show you how to put it together right about now. So this is what it looks like once it's not put together, once it comes right out of storage. The vinyl backing isn't set up yet. The wings aren't put down at all. There's no water inside the dunk tank. None of that's done yet. So I'm going to show you how to do it all right here. As you can see, this is a wing dunk tank, so the wings fold together on the side right here. They're held together with all your bungees as well that you use to hold your backdrop on. The silver bar is used to hold your target for the dunking mechanism. You take that apart. It goes and stored right there too. There's the dunking mechanism right there. We have a lock on the top that locks the seat in place. Fun fact, when Twister Display first came out with these, that dunking mechanism used to just be a welded vice grip to the underneath of the seat. Thought that's kind of funny. Also, that seat won't fall down without pressure on it. In the box, we have the target. It screws onto the front. We have a box full of balls. They're like made out of rubber. And, we have the target, the back banner for the target. Then we got some extra wheels that Twister Display sent with it. They also sent a bunch of extra balls too. Here we have the wings unfolded outwards. Took all the straps out there, extended that up top. It goes out, and you put your banner and backdrop on it. Right there is how to raise and lower it. Right there is where that arm goes and sits. It comes out after you put that banner in there. I like to hold my extra clip down there in the bottom here and my R key. You slide the banner or the backdrop onto those two poles and you detach it with these and these little grommets right here on the side. After you want to put your pole on for the target, you put it in there. Sometimes people screw it on first and they stick it through, and sometimes they don't. That seat's not going to go down with no pressure on it, but sorry. And then here I'm going to attach the target to the front of the pole. Like I said, some people put this on before and you just stick it through the other way and you keep it on. Some people don't. And while I screw this together, I figured it'd be a good time to remind you to subscribe to the channel so you can figure out some more tips and tricks on party rental industry stuff. All kinds of equipment reviews and how-tos. So here's my dunk tank in all its glory. Put the balls a little bit far away and you can toss it at it. You want to fill it up with water. Takes about an hour. Could take even longer depending on your water pressure to fill this thing up. You can rent it to backyard parties. You can rent it to schools. You can rent it to corporate events. You can use it for fundraising. There's a lot of options. This one doesn't have the tow behind trailer options. They make one with tow behind trailer options. I also have a banner that goes on the side of this too. It's a different banner. So here's my circus clown dunk tank. It's got the balls there. But it's a nice add-on. All you have to do is get the extra backdrop there, and then suddenly it's a whole nother unit. But it's only the same dunk tank. Also, when you're renting this out and you go to start filling it up with water, make sure you put that plug down in the bottom and the back. And make sure you have it before you leave the warehouse too, because you don't want to get to the job with no plug. So I hope you liked the video, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and can't wait for the next one.